Good morning mga Jai! Tara, get ready with me for an event. The night before pa lang nag-skincare malala na ako para hydrated talaga yung face ko. Para sa araw na to, konti na lang yung ilalagay ko. Naglagay ako ng Dior Serum and then itong e.l.f. Putty Primer. At habang nagme-melt yan sa skin ko, inuna ko na tong eyeshadow ko. Before, laging shade of brown and gold lang talaga ako dito sa mata ko. But now, I kind of figured out that this dark shade with the right placement, it looks so good on my eyes. And then, I no longer use black eyeliner. Brown na lang ako. After that, smudge ko pa yan. I forgot to video the product pero NARS Reflecting Foundation mixed with e.l.f. Filter Foundation yung gamit ko dito. Nilalagay ko na lang siya sa mukha ko tapos hinahayaan ko nang yung brush yung mag-mix sa kanya for that perfect shade. And then I use a lighter shade of concealer for some part of my face na gusto ko i-highlights. Anyways mga mare, I'm just relearning how to do my makeup. So if you have any suggestion para mas mapaganda pa yung makeup ko, let me know in the comment section. Dapat talaga magpapamakeup ako today pero hindi available yung makeup artist ko. So sabi ko, sige mag-practice na lang nga ako. By the way, I proceeded to contour na. Malakas yung pakiramdam ko na kailangan ko na rin baguhin yung shade ng contour ko. Parang mas mag-work sa skin tone ko yung grayish. Before, I used to think na dahil morena ako, warm tones ang bagay sa akin. But as I age, feeling ko mas sobrang nagmamature yung skin ko with warm tones. Kaya medyo nagno-neutral to cool tone ako ngayon. For my eyebrows, sobrang simple lang talaga ng routine ko. I'll just brush it up and then I'll use this pomade from e.l.f. If you've been following me, you know that this is the only product I've been using for the last couple of years. I really want to learn how to use eyebrow gels pero hindi ko talaga kaya. I've tried before, nagbubuo-buo siya so hindi na ako nag-a-attempt ngayon. For my blush, usually kapag nagtanong ka kung anong bagay sa morena, yung mga pa-maroon, sienna, darker shade yung nire-recommend nila. But for me, I always go for pink to peach to coral shade kasi ayun talaga yung nagsusoften ng features ko. Now, I am done with the cream products. Magsisetting spray lang ako para mag-melt pa siya sa skin ko. Ito pa lang talaga, okay na sana ako. Pero kasi parang napapansin ko sa mga makeup artists, they really set it with powder para mas tumagal. And since I'm going to an event, sige, iset pa natin siya ng powder. Dito sa part na to, hindi na talaga ako confident kaya very little products lang nilalagay ko sa brush at konting dab-dab lang. So what I would do is tatapalan ko lang ng powdered products yung mga placement ng cream products before. So kung saan ako nag-cream contour, dun din ako magpa-powder contour. Kung saan ako nag-cream blush, dun din ako magpa-powder blush. And yung mga additional na powdered products like highlighter, bronzer, tsaka na siya nilagay. Which I think is mali. Feeling ko dapat ata yung highlighter after ko na mag-setting powder. Tsaka feeling ko dapat ata gumamit ako ng fan brush para sa highlighter kasi masyadong pigmented with a normal brush. Personally, I don't like to bake kaya after ko lagyan ng powder dyan, dali-dali ko din siyang blend with a brush. And I really took my time to blend it all in kasi ayoko nang masyadong matte yung itsura niya and ayoko rin nang masyadong makapal yung setting powder. I was telling myself at this moment na trust the process kasi magsisetting spray pa naman tayo and so magme-melt pa siya sa skin natin. Anyways, this is how it looks like. Inulit ko na lang yung highlighter kasi nga na-blend ko na siya with the setting powder. So ayan, nag-highlights ako ulit. I'm going for that elegant look kaya for my lippy, I'm using this sheer satin lipstick from Details Cosmetics. Nirisk ko na akong mag-makeup sa sarili ko today kasi akala ko simple lang naman ang event. But to my surprise, it was very star-studded. Katabi ko si Miss Alice Dixon, Dayan Medina, Sam Pinto, even Miss Camille Prats was there. Well, it's just two things for today. It's either always have your makeup done when you're attending an event or learn to do your makeup properly pa.